guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I want to continuing the Ascendant series, and this video is for all of you Libra risings. So again, your ascendant sign or your rising sign is going to be determined by the time and date you were born. So what you want to do is gather that information, look at the calculators below or Google birth chart calculator. That will give you your ascendant sign, which is basically the start of your life, the start of your entire life story, how you're gonna look like, your personality, your first impressions, things like that. So it's important that you know that. So let's get started with the Libra rising. If you have a Libra rising, you are a people pleaser. You guys want everything to be happy, everybody to be perfect, and that kind of sucks because you can't really make everybody happy. People are douchebags, and then they're gonna want to like take advantage of you because they know that, you know, you're a people pleaser and you just want to serve them and be nice to everybody. And it's honestly emotionally draining because, I mean, you guys are super passive aggressive, that when somebody says something to make you mad or talks shit about you, you guys are just like, why? You guys are not fighters. You guys are lovers. You guys are the people that let things go, that kind of like hold or bite your tongue a little bit to control, you know, your words and not say anything that could be hurtful to somebody because you guys want to be liked. If you guys aren't liked, you guys get really offended. Now, I think that it's important that you guys learn to stand up for yourselves because people are douchebags in this world and you can't be pleasing everybody. And I know part of you, you know, also does the whole people pleasing thing because you guys are super gracious. You guys appear super educated with a lot of manners, and you guys don't want to ever, you know, feel ratchet, if that makes sense. That's another thing with you guys. You guys are ruled by Venus, which is the planet of love and beauty. So most of you guys appear really beautiful. You guys are really beautiful because you're also ruled by Venus. You girls may have like beautiful bodies. In general, everybody with this ascendant may have like symmetrical faces. They appear, everything that they put on is like super beautiful. They literally spend hours thinking about what outfit to choose and what outfit to wear for the day because you just want to look classy. Or your personality and the way you approach things and approach people is just nice and beautiful. Like you're an approachable sign. That makes you guys really lucky. You guys lose yourselves through other people because you guys try to mirror what other people do instead of actually trying to find yourself, because the person that you truly are inside isn't a person that everybody is going to be too fond of. I don't like to say this, but sometimes I feel like Libra ascendants can be fake because if they're too busy pleasing others and trying to be like others, then who are you really? You know what I mean? Inside, what are you really thinking? Libras are all about, you know, weighing the options. They're really good. They have a gift for looking at both sides of the situation. That's what makes them really great in arguments, because they're not gonna, you know, get cray and cuss at you during arguments. No, because that would ruin their whole vibe. They're gonna be like, okay, yeah, I completely get what you're saying. Yeah, and honestly, if they're great at admitting, you know, that if another person has a better idea, they'll go with it. So they're super diplomatic in that sense. Now, weighing options can take some time. So on the opposite of Libra, the 7th house cusp, the descendant, is going to be in Aries. Aries people are, you know, super quick to decision, super hot-headed, super athletic, super on the go. They don't have fucking time to sit around and wait for their friends or wait for options or have an okay from society to continue in whatever it is that they're going to do. No. So with Libra risings, that's the type of partner that they're going to attract. On the opposite, like I said, there's Aries, and the really neat thing is that Aries is ruled by Mars, Libra is ruled by Venus, so there's going to be a lot of attraction. Libra needs an Aries-like person because they need to hurry up and make decisions and stop weighing out options. People need to help Libra ascendants, you know, be go-getters a little bit more and be quick and, like, you know, start their ideas and get them going on that. I think Libra ascendants need to just do what their heart truly desires, even if people are going to like it or not, and stop thinking about what other people are going to think about them, because they need to know that ultimately they have to do things that are going to make them happy. And it could be super emotionally draining at the end of the day, coming home and, you know, being like, ah, this person was a bitch to me, but I mean, I'm still her friend, I still love her. No, if people are gonna give you that kind of negativity, let them go and stop trying to please them. Thank you guys for actually subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna continue with this ascendant series, and the next ascendant is going to be Scorpio, so please subscribe to my channel to get updates. And then after the ascendant signs, I think I'm going to do the moon signs or Venus signs, I don't know, whichever you guys want. So thank you, and yeah, my Facebook and Instagram are down below too.